Hey there, all you cool
Okay.
cats and kittens.
Spots open.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Welcome to the We Like Fighting.
Bloopers. Wait a
Bloopers.
sec.
Oh yeah.
Welcome to the We Like Firefighting show. We got Michael, Aaron, Tracy, and I'm JJ. Welcome to the show.
2 of them in critical, 5 of them have been released, and then the other whatever are still hospitalized but not ICU. But they're all expected to survive.
So can you all see this?
Yeah, I remember seeing a video earlier of it was like of their gear and stuff. Like they still got the scene completely taped off, and their gear is still laying. Everything, like all medical stuff, still laying on the.
Yeah, a couple of different views pulled up. Let's see what the other one was.
So what exactly was the cause of it?
I think
We
butane.
got a call at 6:26 p.m. for a fire at the 300 block of Boyd Street here in the downtown area of Los Angeles. When we arrived on scene, we have a 1-story commercial building with smoke showing, and we commenced an aggressive fire attack in an offensive mode. As our firefighters were making their entry in and finding the seat of the fire, there was a significant explosion. So we quickly called for additional firefighters. This has been upgraded to what we call a major emergency category with over 230 firefighters that have arrived on scene. And we've moved to a defensive posture for the fire attack. We set up a medical branch that was created for treating and transporting our fellow firefighters. We did just recently achieve a knockdown or complete extinguishment in just over 2 hours at 8:08 p.m. Tragically, we have approximately 11 firefighters with burn injuries. Regarding their severities, we still don't have that confirmed. The building and business appears to be doing business as Smoke Toke's warehouse distributor. And the preliminary information is that it appears to be a supplier for those that make butane honey oil. You have a row of 1-story commercial buildings, and when you see on that street the aerial ladder that has been thrown to the roof has significant charring. The fire truck that is completely across this street has been blackened. You can see firefighters' equipment that suffered some significant damage. So this is of paramount concern to determine exactly what caused this.
Did you guys get to see the inside of the truck?
Yeah, I seen a video of like this guy walking around looking at the equipment and stuff, and it showed a little bit inside the ladder truck.
Yeah, that's the same one I see, man. It's friggin' ruined.
It might have been the one I shared, actually.
I think you might have.
Are you on, is that Facebook, JJ?
Yeah, that's Facebook.
Go to my page, and I think I shared it not too long ago. Michael Blackbird, yep, that's me. Yeah, it's that one right there. Oh yeah.
No, she's gonna have a lot of fun.
Oh, yeah. I hope something get this shit straight, man.
Yeah, it completely torched it. Like it's done.
Oh yeah.
But as far as conditions, the last thing I could find was actually about 7 hours ago.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
And that was from Chief Terenza, whoever that is, on Twitter. As of this morning, 3 LA firefighters have been released from the hospital. 8 are still hospitalized, but all are expected to survive. The fire investigation is ongoing, and we appreciate the amazing outpouring of support from near and far.
That's
So, yeah, that was like 7 hours ago. So, the possibility that a couple of those people who were regularly hospitalized may be out, or the critical may be more stable.
Do want Michael to give us an official update and thoughts on his wreck.
Oh, yeah. So, like I said, the wreck happened about 9 o'clock, 9:30 Tuesday. Like I said, I don't really remember much of it. I know it's been pure Haiti since it happened. I will say, though, that quad lock, the phone holder that I did a review on not long ago, it held up. Like, my phone was still attached to my motorcycle, even though I got run over by an SUV. Phone's not scratched.
Didn't they have to break the mount to get your
Yeah.
phone off?
They're in my bag somewhere.
Man.
Yeah, bag. So they broke it off, and my phone was still attached to it. So I will, if I ever get another motorcycle, I will buy another quad lock.
So I think we ought to upgrade your nickname from New Guy to, what do you think, Bionic Man?
Well, I mainly got metal in me right now, so it can be that, or it can be
Metal Mike.
Metal Mike?
I mean, I deal with metal too, so I mean, I do tow a bunch of cars. I always try to keep it Lex-Mike, but that works too. Do Metal Mike.
Tell you what, if anybody watches this, we'll let the fans vote, which I don't think we actually have any fans yet, but if we have any, they can vote in the comments below.
Well, of course, we could always put it on Facebook too, like a little poll.
There you go.
You want me to dance on a pole, or?
If you want to, somebody come get her. She dancing like a stripper. Hold on, coronavirus kicking in. Yeah, I heard. Okay, you ready for this?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, Mikey, you little stone.
Oh yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you all for listening to the episode. If you enjoyed this show, leave us a review on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Email us at welikefirefighting@gmail.com and check out our website at welikefirefighting.com. We'd like to share the suicide hotline. Things can be hard, and if you need help, don't hesitate to call. It's 1-800-273-TALK. That's 1-800-273-8255. Again, thanks for listening and live action.